Welcome, my dear David. Today, we are stepping into a world filled with warmth, light, and the most beautiful music of all, the world of love and being married.
Oh, Emily, my heart is already beating faster. It is such a powerful topic. I have always wondered, how do we even begin to describe something so deep?
That is a magnificent question. In English, we often say that love is not just a feeling, it is a journey. And being married, well, that is like choosing a partner to walk that long, winding, and wonderful road with you forever.
A journey. I love that. It sounds so brave. But Emily, some people say marriage is hard work. Is that true?
Oh, David, you are so insightful. Yes, it is work, but it is the most rewarding work in the world. Think of that like a garden. You must water it with kindness and sunshine it with laughter every single day.
A garden. What a beautiful image. That reminds me, my grandparents have been married for 50 years. They still hold hands when they walk in the park. It is just incredible.
50 years? Oh, David, that brings a tear to my eye. That is what we call true blue love. They have stayed together through thick and thin. Can you imagine the stories they share?
Curiously, thick and thin. I have heard that phrase. It means the good times and the bad times, right?
Beaming with pride. Precisely, you are a star student. Marriage is about saying, I will be by your side when the sun shines, and I will hold your umbrella when the rain falls. It is a sacred promise.
Softly and thoughtfully, a sacred promise. That is so moving. Sometimes I worry that I won't find the right words to express my feelings in English. It feels so big.
Leaning in with a warm, comforting tone, don't you worry for 1 second, David. Love has its own language. Sometimes the most expressive thing you can say is a simple, I am here for you, or I appreciate you.
Oh, so it is not just about the big I love you, but the small ways we show we care.
Clapping her hands with joy. Yes, exactly. You've got it. It's the morning coffee, the listening ear, and the way you support each other's dreams. That is the glue that keeps a marriage together.
The glue. I love these English idioms. They make the ideas so much more vivid. It makes me want to celebrate love right now.
That is the spirit. Love should be celebrated. It is the most magical human experience. It turns a house into a home and a stranger into your family.
You know, Emily, your passion makes me feel so motivated. It makes me realize that learning English is also a journey of the heart because it helps us connect with others.
Oh, David, that is the most beautiful thing I have heard all day. You are absolutely right. We learn to speak so that we can love more clearly.
Excitement. Can we talk about the wedding day? In movies, it looks so grand. People say, I do.
Dramatically. Ah, the big day, when two people tie the knot. It is a celebration of hope. But remember, David, while the wedding is a day, the marriage is a lifetime.
Slowly and sincerely. The wedding is a day. The marriage is a lifetime. I will remember that forever. It is a very deep lesson.
With a warm, encouraging glow, I knew you would understand. You have a heart of gold, David. Keep asking these big questions. Love and language are both about opening your soul.
With a wide, happy smile. Thank you, Emily. I feel so inspired. I am ready to learn more and to speak from the heart.
And I am so proud to be your teacher. Go out there, be kind, and keep spreading that warmth. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep loving. Hello, David. Oh, it is such a magnificent, glorious day to be together. Welcome to our very special session.
Hello, Emily. Thank you. I can feel the wonderful energy in the air today. I am so ready to learn.
I am so thrilled to hear that. Today, David, we are going to explore the most beautiful, the most powerful, and the most essential word in the human experience. Love.
Love. It is a small word, but it feels so big. When I say it, I feel a warmth right here in my chest.
Yes, exactly. Love is not just a word, David. It is a vibration. It is the light that connects us all. Can you imagine a world without it? It would be so gray and cold.
Oh, I cannot imagine that. To me, love is like the sun. Even when you cannot see it, you know it is there, keeping the world warm.
Dramatically. What a poetic observation. Like the sun. David, that is just incredible. You are already understanding the soul of the language.
Thank you, Emily. But I want to know, how can I express this in English? Sometimes I love you does not feel like enough.
Oh, you are so right. English has so many flavors of love. We have affection for our friends, devotion for our work, and compassion for strangers. Isn't that wonderful?
Compassion. That is a beautiful word. Does that mean love for someone who is hurting?
Yes, exactly. It is love in action. It is saying, I see you and I care about your heart. It is the highest form of human connection.
That reminds me of my grandmother. She used to make tea for everyone in our village. She never said much, but her tea tasted like love.
Oh, David, that is a heartfelt story. Heartfelt means something that comes from the very center of who you are. Your grandmother's tea was a heartfelt gift.
Heartfelt, I will remember that. It feels much stronger than just saying nice.
It is. And remember, David, love is also something we must give to ourselves. We call this self-love. You must be kind to your own heart as you learn this language.
Oh, so when I make a mistake and I don't get angry at myself, is that an act of love?
Applauding enthusiastically. Bravo. Yes. 1,000 times yes. Being patient with your progress is the most beautiful way to love your journey.
I feel so motivated. Learning English doesn't feel like a chore anymore. It feels like a way to love the world and talk to more people.
That is the spirit. You are using language to build bridges of love. Can you imagine the millions of hearts you will touch with your words?
It makes me feel very brave. Love makes me want to speak, even if my grammar is not perfect yet.
And that, David, is the greatest secret of all. Love is louder than any mistake. Your enthusiasm is a gift to me and to everyone who hears you.
Thank you, Emily. This conversation has been truly heartfelt. I feel like my world has grown bigger today.
And it will keep growing, David. Keep choosing love, keep choosing kindness, and keep shining your light. You are doing a magnificent job.
I will. I cannot wait for our next lesson. Goodbye for now, Emily.
Goodbye, David. Carry that love in your heart all day long. You are simply wonderful.